Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you if you can't access Meteor from your terminal, if you're getting this error message, Meteor is not recognized as an internal or external command. Meteor is a framework. I'm assuming that you have installed Meteor, but still if you're getting this error. So it's a Meteor client here. I've already downloaded this, but still getting this error. So it's stored inside the C directory, and then open user folder right here and go to the folder of whatever is the username, and then inside this we have a folder called as app data. Inside this folder we have the folder called as local, and then we have a folder called as meteor. So you will see this folder inside your local folder. So right here you will find out this folder right here. It will start dot. That's why this folder is not shown right here, but if you simply say so, that folder is not shown. This folder is hidden by default. So what we need to do, it will start from dot meteor. So what you need to do, you copy this location and just open your environment variable, and then go to system variable, go to the path here and add this location. So after you add this location, just add this. So if you add this entire path, just click OK. And once again, after making these changes, just restart the terminal and just type here meteor, and you will now see the command will be successful. So it has, you can see the command is perfectly working. So in this easy way you can fix this error message. You just need to add this to the environment variable. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.